Okay, this has been sanded down from 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000, 2,500, all the way to 3,000. Now I'm taking it up to be buffed, which if it's shining like this, if it's reflecting like this without compound or buff, I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like. Now, those of you who don't know, the green tape is so the buffer doesn't burn through over the hard edges, over your corners, because that'll burn through the paint and you got to repaint the car. So that's protection. Cautionary tale, do not do business with people, companies you don't know. Sold me the wrong transmission, which is cool because I paid for it with my American Express card. So I'm going to let them deal with American Express if they can't figure out how to act right. But real happy with the shine on this paint. Lot of wet sanding. This is my buffer. Probably gonna start off with a deep cutting pad, but I'm gonna have it at a low speed. Then you got, this is pretty much how it works. You got your red pad, heavy cut. You got an orange pad, that's gonna be medium cut. Blue is gonna be a light cut. It's your blue pad. This your red pad. Now you got wool pads that cut really deep. That's really should be your initial pad. I'm not at that level, so I'm not gonna really mess with it because I like the way it looks. I guess this is the orange pad. And then green is your soft polish. Green is your soft polish, and your black is your finish. Here's my green. It's my black pad for the finish. Pretty much that's it. Get my Santa Claus game back in going. I'm gonna buff it. Cut you back on.